Did you know a monk burned himself alive without making a single sound? On June 11, 1963, Teek Quang Duc sat cross-legged on a Saigon street. Gasoline was poured over his robes as he remained perfectly still. When the flames ignited, he never moved, never screamed. He had spent months preparing, reading Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus alongside Buddhist texts. The ancient Stoics taught that pain exists only in the mind. As fire consumed his flesh, his face showed no emotion. His hands stayed folded in meditation. Photographers captured the impossible scene of complete stillness amid the inferno. Even as his body turned to ash, he maintained perfect posture. His silence spoke louder than any protest ever could. Ancient philosophy had created the ultimate act of resistance,